Today we're going to make this lifted F-150 breathe a little better with the help from Flowmaster. If you're looking to add some performance and style to your F-150's engine bay, today we're installing this Delta Force cold air intake from Flowmaster. This Flowmaster Delta Force intake will fit your 2017 to 2018 F-150 and also Raptors with a 3.5 engine. This intake increases overall airflow, provides about a 15% increase to horsepower and torque. It includes a 6-inch high-flow conical air filter with a pre-filter. This intake is made of polyethylene with reinforced silicone couplers for quick and easy install. Best of all, it's made in the USA. Now let's get it installed on our F-150. First part of the install is to loosen the two hose clamps on the intercooler piping. The other one is very far down there, but it's there. Remove your air temperature sensor, turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Flip the clips, remove the air box. And don't forget your air filter. Now remember, don't forget to remove your temperature sensor because we'll be using it for the Flowmaster intake. Grab your air box and your air filter adapter, install it from the inside out. Grab your stainless steel bolt with a regular washer and a lock washer. Then line up your holes and then install it to the nut. Install your gasket around the heat shield. You will have to press firmly against the seal to get it on. Once you get to the end of the bulb seal, you'll have to cut off the extra. Use just a pair of tin snips to cut it off. Once you finish, you'll have to cut off the extra. Now take your adhesive strip and add it to these 4 locations. Install your air filter. Install the grommet. Grab the small hose clamp and the small coupler, install it on the intake. Install the other 2 larger couplers. Install your air intake to the air filter adapter, loosely tighten it down. Now we can install it back on the truck. Install your cold air intake. What I like to do is flick the 2 latches on, it holds the heat shield in place. Reinstall your intercooler piping. Plug in your air temperature sensor. Tighten down all your hose clamps and your installation is complete. Check it out, guys. This Flowmaster intake looks great. This will make this F-150 breathe a lot better. Take about a half an hour to install. Have fun and keep on building.